watch me do a silk press. Today's products, I will be using Decca Plus, the pH conditioning system. So I want to tell you guys the backstory of Decca Plus. I took a class recently and I just wanted to review their products, give you guys a review on here to tell you how the products work with my client today. We had a really good time working with this product. Super fun, super easy. Right here in this clip, I am applying the Satin Pomade. This product is lightweight. It does help with locking back in the moisture after the wash process. This product is great for helping increase hair growth and also healing properties. I didn't record the wash process same as the blowing process just because I just was, talking up with my client. So I just started to do just more of the silk press process. I will leave more information down below. In the meantime, let's finish this video. I will be going in and out by talking to you guys to tell you guys what I am doing. But as you can see, I am putting in that product, working my way through each section and running my hands down to the ends to make sure the moisture is locked in. If you guys have any questions about the products I am using, it will be down below in the description. In the meantime, we're just going to watch the rest of this part. Okay guys, I did cut her ends off tape. She does have pretty long hair, so I had to make her stand up. Okay, so here I am sectioning off. I am getting ready to smooth her out. Guys, please make sure you guys turn your temperatures down on your flat iron. It does not have to be up to 400. It does not have to be at 450. I typically have it at 370 to 410. I don't go up any higher. I don't want to burn that shaft. I am taking small sections. This flat iron is the BaBylissPRO. I would leave the link below if you guys is looking to buy it. It is a really good flat iron. It does the job wonderful on all different hair types. As we go more into this process, I do want to let you guys know her ends were dry. It's not more of anything that I can pretty much do in one day. It does not happen overnight. It's more of being consistent and making sure you're taking care of your hair at home. I do tell all of my clients to make sure they moisturize, be consistent. You can use a spray bottle to, throw a little bit of water on the hair. You can use a lightweight oil to seal the ends so it doesn't clog up the pores. Or you can always use like a leave-in moisturizer. LOL, no, I'm not talking about doing it on a silk press. I'm talking about just in general. When you are not in a salon or not booking your appointments frequently, just keeping that hair at its moisture state. Never walk around with dry hair. It does tend to get damaged after a while from it not being taken care of. So I do always give my clients like the go-to information before they walk in and when they walk out of my chair. I have no shades towards any other hairstylist, but I do like when my clients do feel like they are being educated through the whole process. The big thing is communication, and education is the big thing as well. But you want to make sure your client walks out feeling more educated than when they walked in. So this client in my chair, she is a very, very close friend. So I typically do her silk presses here and there every blue moon. So she typically does not come as much, but she is a nail tech also. I would leave her Instagram information down below if you guys would like to book an appointment with her. She is currently in Columbus, Ohio, just like me. So, but yeah. This client, she is a busy person just like me, so it's kind of hard trying to maintain that hair at the same time also running a business. So I do like to make sure each client is treated differently, because you know, we all don't do the same thing on a daily basis. You know, you could be a nurse, you could be a nail tech, you could be a hairstylist, you could be a doctor, whatever you could be in the world. But I do like to look at each client differently. Not everybody is the same, because everybody's hair is treated differently, is being taken care of differently. So that's just the rundown of how I give my clients a luxury service, by just educating them, you know, taking them to a different level of being their hairstylist. You know, just making sure they know exactly what I am doing. So I do want to apologize about not really introducing myself. I just slapped a video on YouTube or whatever is going to go on. So we're gonna have another video about me more, but I just wanted to get this content out because I was just playing around and I just wanted to see how my editing does. So that's why I'm just talking to you guys like you guys are my regulars and I really don't know you guys yet. So but once you get to know me more, you'll see I am a cool person. I do talk a lot and I do like to talk about education at all times. That is typically what me and my clients always talk about. If it's not education, it's all about God. So yes, this is a Christian base, so not against anybody that isn't a Christian. So I love all people. I will try my best to try to at least post consistency. I'm not going to make a actual commitment into. I know for a fact that I actually want to continue doing this. This is my goal, but I do get busy throughout the week with my clients, so I am trying to find a way to have days where I can edit my content. But I do have a TikTok and Instagram that I am constantly working my butt off. And if you guys do like this video, please let me know in the comments of what hairstyles or information you guys want to know. I am willing to have a conversation and talk with you guys, because I sometimes be bored and I love to watch YouTube. So I feel like my work being on YouTube is like another plus for me. So yes, please contact me. I don't mind if you guys have any questions individually. I will contact you back just when I get a chance. So I do let all my clients know that, because sometimes I don't contact them back fast enough, but I still try to get to them fast. Thank you guys for watching this video. I know I just put this video out here and I, introduced myself, but I would let you guys know about me in the next video that will be coming up, and we'll talk more about me and what exactly I do. I was literally just playing with this video and it went to a whole different level, so bear with me, guys. This video is coming to an end, so please leave a comment, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. One more thing, please let me know how you guys feel about the intro and the outro, because I did work my butt off about it. So please leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.